Hello everyone, my name is Madhav and welcome to Gyanshala with masti. आज मैं लेकर आया हूँ एसिड बेसिस एंड इंडिकेटर्स क्या होते हैं और उनके कुछ एग्जांपल्स और हम उनको डिफरेंशिएट भी करेंगे। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। पहले देखेंगे कि एसिड्स और बेसिस की प्रॉपर्टीज में डिफरेंसेस क्या होते हैं। तो देखते हैं। एसिड्स होते हैं सोर इन टेस्ट और बेसिस होते हैं बिटर इन टेस्ट। और एसिड्स टर्न ब्लू लिटमस रेड। आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं एसिड ब्लू लिटमस को रेड टर्न कर देते हैं और जो बेस होते हैं वो रेड लिटमस को ब्लू टर्न कर देते हैं। टर्न रेड लिटमस टू ब्लू। और आप इसको ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं कि बेसिस ब्लू करेंगे। टर्न रेड लिटमस टू ब्लू। एसिड्स चेंज मिथाइल ऑरेंज टू रेड। अभी मैं बताऊंगा कि मिथाइल ऑरेंज और फिनोप्थलीन क्या होते हैं। वो इंडिकेटर्स होते हैं। तो अभी आप देख लीजिए कि एसिड्स चेंज मिथाइल ऑरेंज टू रेड एंड बेसिस चेंज मिथाइल ऑरेंज टू येलो. Phenolphthalein remains colorless when we add acid to it, and phenolphthalein gives pink color when base is added to it. Acids do not give soapy touch, but bases give soapy touch. And in solutions, the acids give hydrogen ions, which is H plus ions, and bases give hydroxide ions, which is OH minus. So you can see H plus ions in acid and in base OH minus ions. So these are the properties of acids and bases. Now we will see some examples of acids and bases. So in acids I have written their formulas also, like sulfuric acid, H2SO4, hydrochloric acid, HCl, lactic acid, C3HSO3, citric acid, C6H8O7, nitric acid, HNO3, tartaric acid, C4H6O6, and formic acid, CH2O2. Now we will see bases. Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide is also caustic soda, which I have told in the previous videos. Potassium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, acetone, ammonia, magnesium hydroxide, which is also known as milk of magnesia, you can see here, and lithium hydroxide. So these are the examples of acids and bases, and you should know the formula of acids and bases also. So now we will see what are indicators. So simply the definition of indicators in simple English is something that gives information or shows something, a sign. So uh, how we know that acid and base, that this is acid, this is base. So we use indicators which gives us information that it is acid or alkali. Alkali is same as base. So here you can see we can use turmeric, which is a natural indicator, and as I told, methyl orange. Here when we add acid to it, so it is red, and when we add alkali, which is base, it turns yellow. And in phenolphthalein, acid is colorless and base is, which is alkali, it gives off pink color. So now what is pH indicator? So here you can see this is a scale. Now these things are also indicator, like methyl orange, turmeric, phenolphthalein. These all are indicators. But pH indicator is an indicator which tells like it is acidic or alkaline, and it also tells that it is neutral or not. These things can't tell you neutral, but this tells you neutral also. pH indicator. Like you can see, 0 is acidic, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Distilled water is neutral, which is 7. It is neither acidic nor alkaline. And alkaline, as you know, it is base. So, like if we put a pH strip inside water, so it will show 7, approx 7, 6, 7, like this. It will show because it is neutral. And if you will put the pH strips in H2SO4 or HCl, it will give 0 1 something. And if you will put a pH strip in caustic soda, solution of caustic soda, it will show 13, 14 something. So these are only pH indicators. So the proper definition of pH indicator is a halochromic chemical compound added in small amounts to a solution so the pH of the solution can be determined visually. So we can visually determine, and if you can experiment it at home also, that by putting uh, like pH strips in like citric acid. Citric acid is just the sour acid. Like you might have heard citrus fruits, and lemon is also a citrus fruit. So if you will put that juice of lemon, so it will show you that it is acidic. It will show something like 3 4 or something like this, because it is an acid. So you can determine the pH of the solution visually, not by performing any hard experiment. So this was the video on acids, bases, and indicator. Hope you have learned something by it. If you have learned something, and if you like it, so please share it with everyone and please subscribe my channel. Bye.